Array data structure is fundamental data structure available in almost all programming languages. Popular programming languages like C++, C Sharp, Java, Ruby, Python, and such, but we'll focus more on the Python as our main language to use in this discussion.
But why do arrays important specifically in real life? So have you ever read a book without any page number on it? How dreadful would it be, right?
How about in a menu of food, like in a popular Filipino fast food Jollibee? The entire menu has this some kind of containers. There's a menu for burgers, for different chicken meals, for combos and such, and every container has a numbering.
About having no means of ordering at all. Imagine if the first humans to ever to discover things did even know how cannot or to make list or to make a list of the same things and different it to other things.
So what can we deduce from all of this? Arrays are containers for similar things. But for what? I mean, you can just make a list of different things. That's what you want, right? Now, let's ask the computer. As we all know, computer language are different in human language. So you need arrays if you want to make a list of questionnaires online, make a list of products you want to sell in a website, and others through the use of technology.
Means of creating a table in a paper and giving it to a machine won't do anything. But yeah, that's what you want, and it's not what the computer wants.
Without arrays, there would be no exam papers on computer. Yep, no exam papers on computer and in online class. Arrays are like a box of eggs, a box of chocolates, or a board of chess, or a board of snake and ladders. Arrays are list of variables, but arrays have two different dimensions. We have one-dimensional array and two-dimensional arrays.
Dimensional array are a list of the variables with the same data types like a test paper full and different questions of the same topic. Dimensional arrays are a list of lists and so on and so on. It has a rows and columns. It is also called as a matrix.
In simpler terms, it's like a box of eggs in a more complex way. Think of it as a table of newborn babies in different barangays, in different city, and in different country. So why are arrays useful? So arrays are also essential for multiplication. It allows us to see a representation of repetitive addition or multiplication. We say a box of chocolates, three rows of 5, we can think of this as 5 plus 5 plus 5 or 3 multiplied by 5.
When will arrays should be used? Arrays are used when there is a need to contain many variables of the same type. It can be defined as a sequence of objects which are of the same data type. It is also used to store a collection of data, and it's more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type. So, importing array from array module. So this is how the coding implementation start from an array. Open any text editors that you have, then type import array as any name. So here we name it as donut underscore a. The next line would be a is equals to donut underscore a dot array parenthesis uh, character I open bracket 2 3 4 5 6. That's an array of numbers, close bracket and close parenthesis. Then finally on the line 3 type print open and close parenthesis a, and after that you will get the result of the numbers 2 3 4 5 6. So this is our own coding sample situation in real life. So we are asked to get the top score of 5 random students of IT 103. So here guys is our own coding sample, getting the grades of 5 students and get the top scorer. So for line 1, type from array import, this is calling the array module. Then on line 3, we skip one line, type the print, enter 5 grades of random students of IT 103 and get the top scorer between the parentheses. Then after that, get the input of the user by typing the variables which we are put which will be put in the container. So here our variable is hg1, then declare it as integer or int, then type open bracket input, uh, enter first grade colon closing parenthesis and so on until hg5, then the container highest grades is equals to array open bracket character I comma open bracket hg1 2 3 4 5 so on close bracket and closing parenthesis. So next line, here is our condition. Max is equals to highest grades, declare it as null or 0. Then using the for loop for grades in highest underscore grades colon if grades is greater than max colon max is equals to grades, then finally print the output and click run. So if you click run, you will get ask for different grades. Thank you very much.
Without arrays, it is difficult to make a list of same things or variables through technology. Maybe it's fun without exams in school websites, but there will be no list of products in Shopee.